In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add unread messages to your Slack sidebar. If you're like me, you want to keep your Slack interface as organized and efficient as possible. The ability to check your unread messages quickly can massively improve how you manage your daily correspondence. So let's dive right into it. First, open your Slack application. You can do this on either your desktop or in a web browser. Once you have Slack open, locate your workspace at the top left corner of your screen. You'll notice a drop-down arrow or an icon next to your workspace name. Click on it to reveal the workspace menu. This is where you can control the settings and preferences for your Slack workspace. Next, navigate your way to Preferences within the drop-down menu. This area is essentially your toolkit for customizing Slack according to what works best for you. Once you've opened the Preferences panel, look on the left side for the Sidebar category. It should be located near the top of the options list. After you click on Sidebar, you will see different options you can toggle to personalize your sidebar to better suit your needs. Pay careful attention to the option that enables you to show unread messages. By toggling this on, unread messages will automatically appear in your sidebar, making them easily accessible. This can be incredibly handy for keeping track of important messages that you haven't had a chance to respond to yet. As you're setting this up, you might notice additional display options that can help tailor your Slack sidebar further. For example, you can organize your channels, direct messages, and apps in a way that prioritizes what's most important in your workflow. Feel free to experiment with these settings, adjust them, test them out, and see what configuration feels the most intuitive and productive for your style. Once you've made the changes, there's no need to save anything manually. Slack automatically updates as you make adjustments. Close the Preferences panel, and you'll right away see the updates reflected in your sidebar. Now, whenever you receive new messages, they will prominently appear under the Unread section of your sidebar, ensuring you can quickly address them. I hope you found this guide helpful in enhancing your Slack experience. Organizing your unread messages into the sidebar is a simple yet effective way to stay on top of your communications and streamline your workflow. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on making the most of your digital workspace. See you in the next video.